The printer must be turned on. Press the release button and then open the front cover. Grasp the green handle of the drum unit. Lift the front of the drum unit and pull it out of the printer. Place the drum unit on a flat surface to avoid damage. Remember that a prolonged exposure to light can damage the drum unit. Grasp the handle of the belt unit with both hands. Lift the old belt unit and pull it out. There are no screws or locks. The unit should slide out easily. Insert the new belt unit as shown. Gently insert the drum unit into the printer until it locks into place. Close the front cover of the printer. Press toner for about 5 seconds. This symbol. Press belt. Obviously, it depends on what language do you have. Press yes. The counter has been reset. Is it possible to reset an old belt unit, but the print quality might not be perfect?